I am making a mess today because I'm obsessed with foils. I'm Suzie, join me. We're gonna have some fun with foils. Let's get started. So I have a great assortment of foils, and I will confess, they're not mine. One of the girls at work just started at my salon, and she had a great collection. So I stole them from her. She lent them to me. So here's a beautiful pattern. Look at this one. They're hard to roll up and get back in the little tubes. So these ones were just kind of separate, but look at that.
Woo!
Caramel like shiny things. Look how beautiful that is. And then there's this one. Just looks like a plain foil, but wait till you see what this stuff does. And this one's a pattern. It's kind of that gasoline kind of look. Okay, the designs are, ooh, I'm distracted by shiny things. Look at this one. Look at that. Ooh, that's beautiful.
I like it.
The designs are honestly endless here. I mean, I just can't even look at the pattern on this one. So I have to focus here. I'll just get totally carried away. So I did sort of have an idea, and when I decided, I'm gonna pick these two. These things are kind of tricky though. There's a lot of tricks to foils to make it work right. And if you're a nail technician and you're doing this at the end of your nail appointment, the last thing you want is it to be tricky and a pain. It's gonna drive you nuts. You want something quick that looks gorgeous. So I'm gonna give you a few tips to make it look effortless and make it be effortless and look gorgeous. I'm gonna work with these guys. So let me just take them out. Oh my goodness. I think one of the reasons why I'm in this industry is because I just love the selections of color and design. Look at that.
Oh, I love that one.
Isn't that? You'll like this one, Caravan, because you like green. Well, green and blue are your favorite, I believe, because of the ocean, right?
Yeah.
Look.
Oh, those are cool.
Isn't that really cool? So I was just kind of playing around, and I was going to go with the red. I will be honest with you. That was tugging at me, but I'm going to do this. Okay, so I've decided to put it against a blue because I thought it'd be a great backdrop for the blue with the green. So what I've done here is I've got 2 coats of my color, and it's called Keeping Suzi at Bay. I seem to go for that color. I've used this one before. And if I'm looking for a flawless finish, I will put a coat or 2 of the gel polish on. Then I will remove the sticky layer before I top coat. Then I'll slightly buff it and just get rid of any little bump or crevice or anything like that. Anything that's not perfect. Then I will take a lint-free pad and I will remove the dust. Now I've already done that. I've already filed them. I've already got my 2 layers on and I've already filed them. And I'm removing the dust. And now I'm going to put that 3rd coat of color on there and I'm going to cure it, nuke it. And then we can apply this. This must go to a sticky layer. It's not going to work with a non-sticky layer. It has to be applied to a sticky layer. Yes, I'm shaking. I shake everything. And it even actually says, does it say shake well before use? OPI says shake well before use, so it's all good. Okay, so I'm gonna bring this over here for a sec. Just put a nice thin coat. So I'm gonna give it about a 30-second nuke. This is the fun part. This is so cool. This is where it gets a little bit sticky. So you wanna take a piece of it, cut it off, and then you wanna take it on a tray or a flat surface, not on the towel, it doesn't work as well. You want to spray the backside. Spray the backside and then wipe it, okay? You want to wipe off that back layer. Look at that.
Ooh.
Yeah, it's horrible. You get rid of that, yuck. And then you want to, I always get this confused. It is actually the back side down, okay? And you literally just hold and press. And you come off of it. See how it's coming off? And you can actually see it. See how it's coming off? Hence, it's sort of like a transfer tape. The foil is actually releasing off of this and going onto the nail. See that? Mm-hmm. This is where it becomes a little bit tricky. It doesn't always work. I'm going to do the same with the green. I'm combining the two together. I've heard a lot of people say that they can't seem to make it work. Something happens with the back of it and doesn't seem to really work. I don't have a ton of different ones. These aren't even mine. I'm borrowing Dawn's at work, so I haven't used a lot of different brands. I don't even know what brand this is. So sometimes people are complaining that they don't always work, and it's true, they don't always work. But just make sure, sometimes I forget you got to do a different section of it because you're trying to release it. See, that's not really working on that side. Ooh, that worked that time. Oh yeah. You got to press kind of hardish. Look at that. Very cool. So I'm going to get another swatch. It's maybe not oversaturated, just maybe one squirt. How's that? Let's try that. And then I will wipe the back of it. Ew, sure is gross, isn't it? Maybe try not to get too much oils on the other side. That's probably... Ooh, look at that. That's a big batch. Cut a blue one. Okay. Just gonna hold the one side. Don't touch it with the oils in my skin. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, I'm so silly. I go into the same spot all the time. I need to hold it in a different spot. Go on this finger now. Kind of have to press hardish. Maybe let me sit it on top of here. Maybe it doesn't like to seep any of it underneath. I'm just gonna troubleshoot that. Oh, it's stuck on my skin. Does look cool though, doesn't it?
Kind of like an abstract painting.
Yeah, that's what it is. I'm an artist.
Yeah, it's nice.
Fake my way through, but that looks really cool. The great thing about this, you can do it on any length. Long stilettos, nice little short nails. It looks good on anything. Very cool. Let's top coat them up. These are looking really cool. When they're cured, we'll check out the reveals. This is a great, quick, beautiful abstract, as the cameraman said. It's a beautiful design. You can do it so fast. I'm teaching a class right now. I cannot wait to show my students this technique. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.